From construction to competition ready, welcome to Santiago Sports Arena. Dito sa Isabela, matatagpuan ng pinakamalaking dome arena sa buong Cagayan Valley Region. Last time na nagpunta tayo dito, ginagawa pa lang ang kanilang Olympic-size pool. Pero ngayon, look at this, stunning and fully ready for competition. It's more than just beautiful, it's built to last. Ang gab joints nito ay ginamitan ng SPECTRALOCK Premium NS Grout, isang high-performance epoxy grout, perfect para sa wet areas tulad ng pools. Hindi lang ito matibay, resistant din sa stains, chemicals at discoloration. Kahit araw-araw gamitin, exposed sa tubig at chlorine, solid pa rin ang grout lines. Kapag ganito kalaking project, hindi pwedeng basta-basta. You need products that can perform and last, kaya Laticrete ang piliin. This Olympic-size pool is ready for champions and for the future of Santiago City and the Cagayan Valley region. Level up your projects. Visit our website at ph.laticrete.com or send us a message.